Put socks on the fan blades, a brilliant solution that will make your life easier. A ceiling fan cools you in the heat and helps circulate warm air in winter. The problem, though, is cleaning it. A simple trick is to use socks. Old or worn-out socks work perfectly. Have as many as there are blades. Spray one side with detergent and spread it thoroughly over the fabric. Then slowly and carefully wrap each blade from the center so the entire surface is covered, and secure the side with a clothespin so it stays in place during cleaning. Move the sock very slowly along the blade, pressing gently. You'll see it pick up all the dust, dirt, and greasy buildup from the top and bottom. The dust stays on the sock, so nothing gets into the air. You can adjust the sock position as you go to always have a clean section for wiping. This method keeps the mess to a minimum and lets you clean even hard-to-reach spots thoroughly. Repeat for each blade, and your fan will be sparkling clean and bright, ready to work all year round.